Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type c colon, then hit enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space windows and hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space *.* space backup and hit enter. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space *.* space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Now type dir and hit enter. Now type copy space *.* space .. and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command cd space c colon /. Now type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type bcdedit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Type attrib c colon /boot /bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Type in ren c colon /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.